did you know there's a bird that can actually fly backward? No, I'm not kidding. Meet the hummingbird, the undisputed acrobat of the avian world. While other birds are stuck going forward, this tiny marvel has completely rewritten the rules of flight. It's the only bird on the entire planet that can intentionally fly in reverse, but wait, there's more. They can also hover in midair like a helicopter and even fly upside down for short bursts. How do they pull off these incredible stunts? It all comes down to their unique wing and shoulder structure. Their wings can rotate in a full circle, creating lift on both the downstroke and the upstroke. This allows them to move with a precision and agility no other bird can match. So next time you see a hummingbird, you're not just looking at a bird, you're witnessing a master of aerial dynamics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts.
What did you think about hummers? Super astonishing. These birds can fly backward, defying gravity and physics. Exceptional acrobatics and incredible wing rotation for mid-air hovering. Amazing, isn't it? They showcase their unique abilities in the sky, defying gravity itself. Don't you find them fascinating? One-of-a-kind birds worth appreciating. Enjoy your day and take note. They're truly remarkable.